Hi guys, so today we are not in the washroom, but we are outside to get some snow. Because we need snow to do an experiment with the wash machine. So yeah, let's do it. So now we've got some snow in the bucket. So let's go to the washroom and do some experiments. I've kind of decided to do it in the wash. Because these two have a door lock. Like these two Miele's have a door lock. Like it will probably break when we kind of bypass it. So that's why we need to do it on the Bosch. So yeah. Now I've got a screwdriver, so let's open the door and turn the machine on to a spin cycle from 600 RPM spin speed. And let's push start and yes, now it works. So the machine's on, we have the bucket of snow, and like if it starts spinning, we're gonna throw snow in it. It's spinning. My hands are so cold. Wait, I have a better idea. If we now stop it, I'll put all the snow in the drum and we do kind of a wash cycle, rinse and spin. So I will do that now and see you guys in a minute. Bye. So I found this piece of ice too on the shed. So let's put that in too. And now I'm going to put the snow in for you. All the snow is in the machine. And we're now going to turn it on a spin cycle. And if the snow after that didn't melt, we're going to do a rinse and spin. And I've turned the flashlight of my phone on. So yeah, the door is, wait, maybe it isn't locked. Where's my screwdriver? Oh yeah. I'll do this. No, it's still locked. So if I push kind of hard, we can get it in between the lock. So now the door is closed too, and we can press start. No idea if this is gonna balance this, but it's already kind of unbalanced now. But it is on 12 minutes, so 13 minutes it will do the normal balancing, but on 12 minutes it's kind of less sensitive. Like now it's a cotton spin and otherwise it's a normal spin, so it didn't do it, but it is less sensitive on 12 minutes than on 30 minutes. Even if you put it on, if you put water in the drum and then put the hose of the back in the drawer, it will stop. But if you put it inside of the, or if it's on 12 minutes and then put it in the drawer, it will start spinning. So yeah, that's kind of why. And it stopped. Oh, there's a piece of ice. It stopped again. It's already on 11 minutes and I've let my screwdriver fall down. I hope it will do it now. Otherwise this is kind of a boring video. Maybe it will do it because like when it goes kind of slower and then starts back up again, it means like that the first balancing attempt has gone well, but this is the second balancing attempt and that's normally why it will stop. Like that's a bit more sensitive than the first one. it because it's already a bit longer of balancing. This is taking so long. Yeah. Oh, it's moving, it's moving. It's making all some sort of sounds. Look, it moved. It completely moved. It's getting quieter again. I really don't want to break this machine because this is really my favorite. It's really strong, but when you put a 3 kg weight in it with a towel or something with it, it will always, with a dry towel by the way, but it will never break. So, and I've done it so many times. Let's put it on 1400 by the way. Faster. Maybe it will only stay on 600 because maybe it was a bit too late when I put it on 1400 RPM. Fast anymore. I will turn it off and turn it back on again. I hope then it will go in 1400. So it's now slowing down because I turned the machine off. It didn't move now. Let's put it back on its original place a bit. Like this. So put the camera a bit more there, no, I will put it a bit higher, like this. This is a bit better to see. I will now turn it back on. It's back on 12 minutes, and I always have this feed stand near the feed, so I know when I have to use it. This one's done. Oh, there's citric acid on the ground. Oh. Wow, it was exactly this balanced with the other balancing things, but now it doesn't want to do it. So now you can really see that it's more sensitive on higher minutes. So when the countdown counting minutes, it's getting less minutes, it will be a bit less sensitive balancing. It stopped again. Maybe it won't do it this round. I think it will do it in 10 minutes or 9 minutes. But you guys know washing machines are the biggest liars about minutes and everything. So, why do I need a spin? I've never did a spin on it. Neither is rebalanced, by the way. And for everyone who says that the spider is broken, the drum now is over. So the spider isn't broken, it's just the drum that's not in the right position. Because there is no gunk everywhere of the spider. There's no lively glow in the drum. So the drum is just like the form of an egg. A bit bit less water. That's why it's like that. Because we didn't spin now, we put it in the wash maybe. We should put one very heavy piece in the washing machine that will never spin unless you have a wash, because there's always doing million spins. For the people who watch this, they get a little kind of see-through planet. I'm getting Tuesday. I'm getting a new machine. It's an AEG top loader. So if you guys just want to know, or maybe sell it because it has broken bearings. But bearings are fairly easy to fix on the top loader, and it's only 5 years old. So doesn't need to bother. Maybe I will sell it and get like an AI drone or a Rock mini washing machine. Maybe like those. It doesn't want to spin. Why doesn't it? Because the snow is already on one side. If it gets on, it's now 8 minutes left on the timer. If it goes to now 6 minutes, we will put it on our license. Just like stopped again. Why? It's never sensitive. Cycles or something. And when you do experiments, it always is. When you clean it a bit, it's quite wet. Don't want it to get oily. Stop it. It's already in 5 minutes. I will put it on the link press start so I can select a different program. But you will see on the card which number it is. Look, this machine has a card. Well, it's already in Dutch because I'm Dutch and I live in the Netherlands, so you guys probably can't read this. So number 5 on this knob here is a extra rinse, so I'll put it on number 5. That's 20 minutes, but I will don't put any options. Look, you can just select rewash, extra time, extra water, intensive, but it won't do anything. 1400 spin, you guys want, I think. I will put the cartridge back in the cartridge slot and press start. The internet falls. There is coming water in the machine at this point. The art scratch, no idea how to pronounce that, on the door glass, so that means that it has hit the glass once. I will put it on a spin now. I think that will be really cool. I'm going to put it now on a spin, but now it's kind of ice, but not likely that it's so hard, which will be great. for the people who are very angry I destroyed that watch. It was really, yeah, how you say that, dirty. The top was broken, and the PCB was a bit off because when I didn't like the program, because when you put it on a like what would you say, a 2-hour program, it will instantly with that dumbass shit balancing things, so it will always go back to 43 program, to 43 program for 43 minutes. So the song for me will really get down. So I just didn't like it and just wanted to get rid of it because it was garbage for people who really know how these machines are put together. They're garbage. I know they are rare, but anything is rare about them is the PCB and the door. I still have the door. And and Siemens, it was dirty, it was free. For the people who say it was good, everyone who knows about washing machines knows that those Siemens aren't good. Those machines are just garbage. The balancing sensor is garbage and everything. So that's why I destroyed them. And I know the Bosch was rare and everything, but we got it for 25 euros and it was dirty and there was also some sort of thing all around it, like ash or something. I don't know what was around it, but there were things on it that didn't belong to. It was dirty on the inside. The door sleeve was completely done, and there was also some sort of sand in the drum and between and in the top. So sand always got in our clothes when we used that, and because it was so old, and that sand got likely thrown out of the drum when it was spinning. We tried to completely power wash it so that the two drums separated, but we couldn't even do that. We completely melted together, and we even took the clips off, and it's still they're still really melted together. So we just thought it was dirty, it was cheap, let's just destroy it. So Washable 12, if you watch this, now you know. And Lucas Laundry Adventures. Laundry Adventures. Let's just talk about that. So let's just leave that in 2025. Let's just now focus on the machines that I have now. But there are going to be washing machine instructions, so I think that will be again in July. Because my neighbor's not that big, so I need to do it by my grandma and grandpa. So yeah, our neighbors are absolute shit. So I was banned for a week on holiday, so for everyone, Happy New Year. But yeah, I was banned because I ran an insert. I put it like that insert in next to everyone. Just don't talk about that garbage, because we put it all some sort of things in it, and we put it on fire, put fireworks in it and everything. You thought that I've eaten drugs, so maybe this video is getting down to it because I've been at it always. So yeah, that's why I will edit it, but I really don't have time now. But I will edit it and we'll get on YouTube. And that was the destruction with AG. Go and watch his channel, by the way, too. He doesn't upload that much because he's really busy with school, he told me, but he does have quite good videos and a very rare. Yeah, it's a Dutch brand, but here in the Netherlands we pronounce it as Marijnen, but maybe in the UK or something you pronounce it as Marijnen or something, I don't know. It's it's a Dutch brand, and it's just basically an electronic, so it's just dynamic, so it's an EC, and it's quite a good, very rare, limited edition machine, because it isn't like, if you have the types that has fluorine in the number, in the serial number, that they're normal, but if you don't have fluorine in them, you have a limited edition, like, so yeah, it's really cool. The steel garbage just doesn't want to spin. Just want to wait. And otherwise, it doesn't want to spin. Now, I'm just gonna put it on rinse. Rinse. Slowly melting a bit more. If you wonder why where the SV Vestel is, it's from my mom and I switch machines. So my mom has Vestel and I have Miele. So yeah, I think if you look at the Vestel, how it's now. This is the Vestel with our new Miele tumble dryer. I'm now going to set it on spin. Go. Let's drain all the water out and go for a great spin. How close to the door? This is kind of the first video that I was really talking in, or like I was scared to talk in the video, but now I'm not anymore. Just doing it. Ice. I didn't know that. Oh, there's still a bit of ice left. Maybe a little and then it's been walking the very still. The beginning of the video was a bit cooler. Oh, it's doing. It's just another band. I hear engines. That's the maybe I can slow down a bit more. No. Yeah, that's really it. Look, will the door open? No, not yet. Maybe I can show you all of my machines a bit and then it will open up a bit of an overview. That's the Miele with the 2 pumps. It's really clean. This is my mom's Miele, which is now my Miele. It's really clean too. It's a bit more like, it doesn't have those physical buttons like as the touchscreen. Which is interesting though about this one. It's a modern Miele W1 of 2018. When we bought it, first we had a Zanussi Aquacycle. But this actually has the old drum. Now this one doesn't Wi-Fi connect. But I'm gonna try for everything stuff. It only has one pump. It has the twin knots. Maybe you can get the exact dates of it for the people who get those dates right. Look, this has a sticker on it. I don't know. I'm really not gonna lie. I didn't put that sticker on. Maybe you can read through it. Maybe. I don't know. This doesn't have twins, by the way. This is a Miele refurbished. So yeah. I originally took that sticker off while I put it back on again. It was a bit broken there, so I put the sticker on it. Is it open? Yeah, it's open. This is a bit of the aftermath, the glass. Can you guys see? Yeah, there's a scratch there. Doesn't have a scratch mark. Some icy snow a bit. Don't use this machine often. Normally these two and the Vestel. The Vestel we use the Vestel the most because that's the daily driver. So it's really clean inside. This could use a clean, but I'm not up to doing it. I just know that it's my only sock and it's only soap that's left over there, so I didn't dirty it all. So guys, thanks for watching. The first time I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel. So I really want 1K subscribers, so yeah. Bye.